Hey guys, it's Libby and I'm currently sitting in my car because I'm about to go to an appointment for semi-permanent tattooed freckles. So that might sound crazy to some of you guys, tattooing my face with something, and maybe it is a little bit, but I am not super concerned about it because makeup exists, and if I need to, I will cover them up for the year that they last, until they fade away. So I'm about to go in, but let me just show you my face first. So close up on my face. I don't know if the camera is able to pick this up. I'm using a GoPro, but I've got some freckles. They come out with the sun. So I'm kind of looking to emulate and slightly enhance the freckles that I do have. So pretty light in tone, not too bold, not too many of them, you know, just something to look like my own freckles, but all year long, not just when I'm in the sunshine, which isn't much anyways because, you know, I'm about to start working 40 hours a week. So yeah, that's all I got for you. I asked her if I could film and she said yes, so let's do this thing. Hey guys, so that last clip is what I looked like right after she got done tattooing. She did tell me that they are quite a bit darker and also a little bit larger than they will be when they're actually healed. She told me that the healing process, as far as scabbing and stuff goes, will last about a week, although she told me not to anticipate any real scabbing because it's so superficial and small. Additionally though, for it to fully set into my skin, it'll take about a month, which is really no big deal. I'm anticipating I'll only look a little crazy for about a week or two, and then I'll be good to go. So if you're looking at me now and thinking that I'm crazy, that's okay, you can think that for now, but see me a week from now and I won't look so crazy anymore. I'll just look freaking adorable and cute. Anyways though, if you're wondering about paying price, all that fun stuff, it was $150 plus a tip. I live in Cincinnati, Ohio, and the place was called Lumen Inc. I will definitely link her Instagram down below if you want to check her out, if you live in the area, or if you're willing to travel. And then as far as pain goes, it really was not bad. It got a little spicier up towards the eye, and also the nose area made me feel like I was gonna sneeze, probably from like the buzzing, the vibrating of the tattoo gun. So it was really not bad at all. The whole thing took less than an hour from the hello to the goodbye, like less than an hour. It was great. She even sent me home with some ointment to put on them so I don't have to use Aquaphor because Aquaphor is so thick and disgusting. So she sent me home with this other thinner ointment to use. But that's all I got for you. So I will keep you guys updated throughout the next couple of weeks probably, or maybe up to a month, whatever I feel like doing, I guess, to show you what the healing process is looking like. And that way you can see that I'm not crazy. I'm actually really smart. That's all I got for you though. So I hope you enjoyed this part of the video, and I will see you in the next clip. Bye. Hey guys, if you were wondering, this is what it looks like the next morning. So it hasn't been a full 24 hours, but this is what we're looking at. Definitely still, you know, really obvious and not faded at all, but that's fine. Patience is a virtue. I read that inside of a chocolate wrapper once, so I live by it. All right, bye. Hey guys, so today is 1 week following getting the freckles tattooed onto my face. You guys saw how crazy I looked in the last clips, and so I am glad that I held out faith and that you held out faith with me by watching this video through to the end. But this is what they look like 1 week in, and oh, they're so cute. I'm so happy about them. I think they turned out really cute. Just trying to get different angles and lighting and stuff for y'all, but yeah, so this is 1 week and I think they look really natural. There's not too many of them, they're not too dark, they're not too light. If they do continue to lighten up a bunch, they might be too light for my taste and I might go get them a little bit darker. But yeah, and I'm also thinking I might want some more, like more of them. So let me know what you think. Should I get some more? Should I get them a little bit darker? I don't know. Let me know your opinion. Not that I'll listen, because I'm an independent woman. But yeah, that's all I got for you. So I hope you enjoyed this adventure with me. I sure had fun experimenting this with you guys. So I will keep you guys updated, like, as months go on, if you're interested, just to see how they, you know, settle even more into my skin and how they fade over time. They only last about a year, so I can keep you guys updated if you want. Just let me know. That's all I got for you though, so have a good day.